Some people think cats purr only when they're happy, but wait till you find out the secret power hiding inside that tiny rumble. When a cat purrs, it's not just a cute sound. Sure, they purr when they're relaxed and content, but they also use it to communicate, ask for attention, and even comfort themselves when stressed or in pain. And here's the wild part, those gentle vibrations can actually help with healing, supporting bone growth and tissue repair. It's like their built-in superpower. And hey, if your cat has ever purred their way into your heart, show some love and follow for more.